What's up, everybody? Welcome back to High Quality Trades, where I give you my highest quality trade setups in the market. Today, 100% free. Holler at your boy. Okay, if you're new here, this is the channel where we go over the highest quality stocks in the market, meaning only the top stocks with the highest market caps make the cut. So, if you are ready to make the highest quality trades of your life, like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, in today's video, I'm going to be giving my thoughts on where I think the stock market is headed. And then we will be going over the Nflx day trade that I gave out a couple days ago. And at the end of this video, I will be giving out a new day trade for Monday. Alright guys, let's get into it. Alright, first up we have the SPY on the daily time frame. Today the SPY closed at 554.64. We reached a high of 555.05 and a low of 551.12. We were positive 0.58% on the day. Very exciting day overall. We've got just 3 bullish candles in a row. Okay, let's drop down into the 4-hour time frame to get an intraday's perspective on what price is doing. Okay, let's bring my lines. Alrighty guys, it does look like we are getting close to a completion of our pennant pattern here on the charts. If we just pull up this line, we'll just go from here and bring the opening over here. Looks like we will be reaching towards 559, 560 next week. Now, if you remember me talking about the orders in the market in my last videos, there are a ton sitting at 560. So I do believe next week we will be headed towards this level. Not only do we have the break of this pennant pattern, but just the knowledge that there are tons of orders in the market just waiting to be filled. That is ultimately why I believe we are headed towards 560. Okay, now let's go over Nflx. Now, in my last video, I did tell you guys that I had entered in some calls on this stock, ultimately looking for a break of this flag type pattern. Today, we got an explosive move in the market. Very big candle, as you guys can see. The 4-hour price action in this candle was huge. Now, we did reach the first price target here and then break through that, going up to our new all-time high today of 697.53. So I did tell you guys that I had entered in Wednesday on this candle here. So I think it was the 682.50 calls that I had entered in, and put my stop below the candle. So thank God never got hit. And then we ultimately ended up breaking this trend line and moving higher today. So as the price was approaching the 688 level, I did exit a portion of my contracts and then just watched for price action to continue, which it did. So then as price action was hitting the second price target up here at 694.95, I did end up selling the rest of my contracts. In my experience, it is always better to sell into a move rather than wait for a move to happen and then sell when it starts retreating. You will always get paid more on contracts that price is moving in the direction of the trade, other than when it's moving in the opposite direction, if that makes sense. So that was Nflx, guys. Fully exited my position in this one, and we are on to the next. Okay, now I entered in a new trade at the end of the day, which is CrowdStrike. Now, if I could find it. CrowdStrike has a very sloppy, bullish pennant pattern on the charts. Now, it does look like we're getting our second breakout. We had a fake out here with this purple candle. Zoom in a little bit. This candle was a fake out. Then we got another fake out on this trend line break where we did close a day above the trend line and then we actually gapped down below it. So there was some trickery there on CrowdStrike. Probably trapped a bunch of bulls in the market there. But then now, so we're getting our third break. That does seem very bullish to me, being that we've already had a couple fake outs or shakeouts on this stock. So we're going to have to see if price continues. The reason for my entry was the MACD. So we basically had 2 out of my 3 trade setups, right, guys? So ultimately, we look for trendline break, the MACD to start trading in our favor, and then we wait for that action candle. We did not get an action candle on CrowdStrike yet, so this is premature. I did set my stop loss at the low of this candle, so at 387.50. If that triggers, then I need to get out ASAP, of course. Remember, guys, we leave it all about the numbers on this channel. Okay, no emotion. Just set your stop loss, set your take profit, and wait for price to get hit. Okay, so that is a new trade that I am in for Monday. Hopefully, the bullish price action does continue. So if the trade does go in our favor, though, we do want price to ultimately reach a new all-time high, which is here at this candle high. So we are looking for CrowdStrike to break 394.64, and then ultimately the pennant pattern here will just take the opening between the two mouths, and then we'll just place a horizontal line of that. Ultimately, we're looking for price to reach 412.50 if the pattern completes. That's in the coming days to weeks, though. It's not tomorrow. So, okay, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys learned something of value, and I will bring you another video tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.